Yeah, so hi everyone. My name is Sagar Kakkala. So here we are for a DevOps session. I think it's day 14. Yeah, for Slack. Like we would be discussing about Slack session. Like before we start on the Slack, because in Sagar Kakkala's world, like everything works because we just not have only DevOps. Like we have a bit of like podcasts, finance, lyrics, travel, and bit of other content. So it's bit of hard, like whoever joins new. So I'll just share screen to show how things work here in Sagar Kakkala's world. You just have to remember my name, Sagar Kakkala, and here you'll have my like website, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And then like YouTube, everything is separated by playlists, as you could see. Like here, this video would be uploaded in DevOps with Sagar Kakkala
Are
English.
you
Here, this Slack session would be an individual session, but I would recommend everyone who's watching later in YouTube to go it from day zero. And the same goes here in blog, everything goes in contents of blog. Like in blog, everything we have for like DevOps and finance, only these were in blog. And here, everything is in a consecutive order itself. Yes, like we are in like day 15. So we'll go for like Slack alerts with. And why actually I'm using Slack now? Because like in a lot of industries and organizations, like Slack is most commonly used for communication, and like apart from Microsoft Teams, and Slack gives an easy API integration. So that is where you could integrate it with bots and anything. So that is where like Slack is widely popular and used. So that's where like we're using Slack now. And like as of now in this session, like we'll concentrate only on like how Slack is being configured and like how to configure like Slack bots and how to send Slack files using Slack uh, from server to Slack channel. And like before there is like API called like Slack file upload API, which is deprecated because if we take a new account, that API would not work. So we had to use new API, and there is a like bit of complications with new API. So even that would be discussed in this session. So we'll straight away go to create Slack session. Yes, where's Slack? I don't, yes, okay, fine. I just searched Slack in Google and I'm just signing in with the account. There's a bit of hitch. Okay. Just creating a workspace demo. Hmm, yeah, Sarga class world. We'll skip this as of now. We'll just go for start with limited free version. It'll give for 7 days we could use. Uh, so we'll just since it's a demo purpose, I'm not going for paid version. It's just configuring like we had the configuring and to create channel because we want channel alerts to go into a channel. So that is where like we'll be creating a channel. Okay. The channel name could be test alerts. Yes. So the channel is created now, and now we need a Slack bot like which could actually send alerts to this. Like because the channel itself like can't help us because we need a Slack bot that would help us to send alerts. And this Slack bot we would be using in our next session. More like we're configuring bot to send alerts. Let's say this Slack. This session would be individual session, but next session is where we are going to get alerts from Prometheus and like we are going to send alerts directly to our Slack channel in a case like it's easy way for monitoring. Okay, 5 days left for this offer. Yes, just like you'll go for tools and settings. Yeah, manage apps. You'll have build, create an app, and from scratch. App name could be anything. Demo and workspace is the workspace that we created. React demo. Create. Okay. And now since we want our like file to be getting into this alert, so we'll go for like OAuth and permissions and add an auth scope. Files, right, and install to React demo. Yes. Okay, so this bot token is something that's important for us to authenticate from mode to this. I think okay, the Slack bot came. Your workspace is on freetail and will make it in this. Okay, fine. And I'm just going to save this bot token. There is notes. Okay. Yeah, I will go for session. And now, how we had to like now our we want our channel to integrate with that bot that we created. It's just like you have to like go for test alerts, what are the channel integrations, and add an app. And this is the app that we created. We'll just click this. So now if you see demo, and here we are going to save another information, channel ID. So these are like both that we got. Yeah, channel ID this. Fine. Now let's go for our session. No, Slack alerts with file upload. Yes. So we had created channel. We had got the bot token. We have added the file permissions. Yes, files right. We have got the bot token. We have integrated to Slack channel. Yes, this is done. We had integrated. Yes, this is done. From here, I think yeah, we can test whatever it is, just like that for our channel to test. For this, since it's an individual session, so I'm just taking a new instance, just like that, because I don't want, because the other servers were a bit costly if I turn it on now. Just going for free tier. Yeah, hi Dilipa, can you mute? Where is this? Yes. Okay, I'll close whatever is not necessary. Okay. Okay, I'm just creating a test file like hello, this is a test. That's it. And now, this is the one that I was talking about, like deprecated API. Since we created just now, like this would not work for the new Slack accounts, but the old Slack accounts, I think, yes, even the old Slack accounts, it got deprecated on March 11, 2025. There are old Slack accounts. This would like definitely work, as you could see. The last API would be https://com files API upload. This is a single line which we could get actually. Hmm. So here, what would be the changes? It will be the channel ID. Channel ID is the one that we picked up, and the bot token as well. So before this got deprecated, actually this is an easy API integration that made lives like very simpler. It's just like you have one line and it will send your file directly to your Slack channel, and there is no configurations and nothing that's needed. As you could see, method deprecated. But now, what happened now in the new Slack, like new API, is first you had to, okay, not this, yes, this. Yeah, first you had to like upload the file and with the length, like whatever the length is specified. So step one, like there are like three steps for you to send your file to Slack channel. First step would be to get the upload URL. Like once the upload URL has come, the second step would be upload your file into that URL. Then the third step would be to send that URL into your Slack channel. So there are like three steps here instead of one step because of deprecated API. Let's go for like step one. This is the one like the new API that has come like file dot get upload URL external. So there are like two APIs we'll use like get upload API URL and the other URL I mean like other API is complete upload external. So I think like it's better if we actually use this to show what I'm talking. So the file is the same, tester.txt is the one that I created, but we had to change auth token and bot token. Let's see. Yes, only the bot token has changed. Okay, and this has required arguments like file name, like whatever is our file name. Our file name is test.txt, and length, whatever is the length of the file. You could actually get this just with this command stat minus c percent s. So I just like passed it as a variable here. Hmm, yes. Yes. As you could see, we got an upload URL. Like this is the upload URL, and this is the file ID. The step one is like to get the upload URL, and step two would be to upload our file into this upload URL. And the same thing, I'm going again. So this actually they made things a bit complex compared to before. Not sure why, but they made it a bit complex. So instead of this upload URL, like we'll have the one that we got generated here. Mm, yes, the one that's generated here. You should just get OK. Yeah, OK. So the file is uploaded into the upload URL. Now we have to send this to our Slack channel, which goes for our step 3. So this is the one, and this needs the file ID, like which got generated in step 1 as well. Mm, mm, mm. So the same thing, the bot token, and as well the file ID is the one. File ID, like we will find it in step 1 thing itself. Hmm, where is step 1? Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. Did I miss file ID somewhere? Okay, this is okay. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. What's this? Okay, this is the one that I got. Okay, upload URL is the one. I don't know, I missed file ID somewhere, I guess. Maybe like uh, um, let's go for file ID. The first step, where did I kept? Okay, this is the one, right? Okay. Hmm, okay, here is the file ID that I got. Yeah, and the channel ID is the one like that we got from Slack channel. Uh, hmm, let's see. I don't think it will come because I messed up file ID or something there. Okay, okay, it did not come. Maybe like the file ID is different and the upload URL is different. But don't worry, like I don't want to do this from the beginning again. Only thing is I missed file ID. But I had a script like which does all these things. We'll use the script now, the same thing, which actually the step one and step two, step three combined. Let's go for. mm, I'm just giving another test to Slack. The file name is like test2.txt and the Slack token is. Yes, this is the Slack token and the channel ID. I mean, like this does all the step one, step two, step three for us, and like sends us alerts. It's just like because we get the upload URL and we had to copy the upload URL in second step, and in third step we had to get the file ID. So this does all the things for us. Yes. Yes, now you could see like there is like this is test two. It's just like step one, step two, step three. Only thing that I missed in step three last is like I missed the file ID there. Yeah, clear on this like Slack channel part, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, I'll stop the session here. 1 second.